Hello again, guys. Welcome back again for another Royal Greyhounds micro lesson. Today we are going to learn on how to put on seatbelt properly. Firstly, is there any damages such as cuts, frays and discoloration? Next, pull the seatbelt over your chest and fasten the buckle. Last but not least, ensure that your seatbelt is not tangled or choked. Remember guys, wearing your seatbelt properly can save your life. Hope you guys learned something from the video. Till we meet again next time, thank you, and goodbye.